Welcome. Today, we're going to try Photoshop's generative AI in cleaning up a photo. We will try to remove the wires above from this photo using Photoshop's generative AI and some manual cleanup using Photoshop cloning tool. Here's the before and after photo. So without further ado, let's dive in and try this new amazing feature from Photoshop. Here, we have our image open in Photoshop. Our first step is to duplicate the photo layer so we can preserve the original should we need to recall it later. Then select first the skyline with wires on it using the polygon lasso tool from our toolbar. You can use other selection tool of your choice if you prefer them from the polygon lasso tool. You don't need to perfectly select the edges. You just need the area where the object you need to remove are covered. But if you can, then it's better. You will be able to seamlessly generate a more precise and better looking image if your selection is more precise. From the Generative Fill taskbar, we will write the prompt Remove Wires and click Generate. Then wait until the generating process is done. You'll see thumbnail previews of variations generated based on your prompt under the Properties panel on the right side, and a generative layer will be created in your Layers panel for non-destructive editing of your original image. You will notice that our result generated some extra structures here, like what I have mentioned a while ago. You can avoid this if you select your area more precisely. But for this demonstration, we will leave it as is. You may also want to select from the thumbnail selection previews for more options, or press the Generate button again to generate more. We will now remove some of the extra wires overlapping the houses in this image. We will do this manually using Selection and Cloning tool. I will just speed up the process, so please hang on and enjoy the process until we completely clean up all the wires from this image. In the meantime, if you enjoy and find this video helpful, don't forget to press the like and share button, and more importantly, hit that subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more contents like this. Your support really helps us grow and bring you more graphic design freebies, tutorials, and tips like this. Thank you. Some tips for generative AI in Photoshop to further customize your results. You may upload a sample image to get results closer to the content you're looking for with reference image, and create variations of your favorite generated images with Generate Similar. Another great tip when trying to remove content, try generating without a prompt, and Photoshop will fill in the selection based on the surroundings. We will try to explore more of these features in our next videos, so please subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. If you're satisfied with the result, you may now finalize and merge both the generative layer and original image by selecting both layers, then click on Merge Layers. So here's our final image with wires removed compared to our original image. And there you have it, our Photoshop generative AI demonstration in removing and cleaning up wires from our image. Until next time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video for more design freebies. Enjoy!